Jolly, oh, jolly, jolly, all my brothers come and jolly. Jolly, oh, jolly, jolly, oh my sisters come and jolly. Eh? Uh, to stand up and awaken. Eh? Ikpakilikpa, Ikpakilikpa, na Ikpakilikpa. Ikpakilikpa and Ikpakilikpa. Eh? All solution. Eh? Technologies, energies. Ikpakilikpa and Ikpakilikpa. I use male cow, female cow, roaster, sense, rams, you can get mother goat, 2233, 2233 coronut, eh? To awaken and stand up, Ikpakilikpa na Ikpakilikpa. All solution, technologies, energies, to give us all answers. Stand up on all land, on all ocean, airspace, worldwide, sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinity, orbit. Stand up in Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, in all countries, in all nations, in all family generations, ancestry, in all hidden secret places, helping for research and discovery and provide all solution, simple and easy solution. We welcome you into all our science and technologies, universal worldwide science and technologies, based in USA, NATO science and technologies, transferred to all churches, Catholicism, Hinduism, Buddhism, all craft, Freemasonry, Amok, Rosicrucian, Ekis, Ekanka, Oboni, all lodges, all craft, transferred to Boy Scout, Girl Scout, transferred to Tutu, Tiger soldiers, transfer to all forces worldwide. We use water, boil eggs, drinks, food, beer, wine, cigarette, weed, and all that goes into the body that is good to welcome all your powers, authority, manifestation, moving forward, and all solution into our bodies and our body foundation, science and technologies. Ikpakilikpa na Ikpakilikpa and Ikpakilikpa. All solutions, answers, technologies, energies, stand up, turn into Chuku and into Chuku, lead. So Maribi say, it's me, Sanke and Chiefpriest, Peter Odira, Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA, USA, USA.